how to insert multiple rows in Google Sheets. Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, let's go step by step on how to do so we can do it in a few ways. You may follow up this process for that. So we can start by opening up our Google Sheets for that. Type in Google Sheets and hit enter and go to Google Workspace and open it up and sign in if you're not signed in. After that, we can open up a document. For example, let's say this is the document I would like to, create up or insert multiple rows for. So we have different rows available here. If we want to go ahead and insert multiple rows, for example, if you want 3 rows, you can start by selecting 3 rows. So you can start by selecting it like this. And you can just go over and right click on the rows on the left, and we can select the option of insert X rows above or insert X rows below. So you can select any of the option available from these two, for example below, and you will be finding the matched number of rows that you've selected being added on your screen. This is one of the method available. Or you can select the row where you want to insert it, the new rows or multiple rows like above, and go to the menu option in the top and select the option of insert here. After that, we can select the option of rows, and we can select the option of insert 1 row above or 1 row below. Like you can select multiple as well, and it will give you X row above and X row below. You can select that option, and you will have to be repeating this or use method 1 for faster insertion, and just go over and provide it up. And that's it. This is very easy if you want to insert multiple rows or columns on your Google Worksheet very easily. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.